everyone. So good to see you again. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. I stopped with my latest piano challenge because I realized that the amount of time and effort I need to put in to really be a great player is going to take more than I had at that time, right? I initially started this journey because I got divorced and it was very stressful. It was emotional and I needed something to distract me, and so I picked piano along with a couple other things like writing a book and just creative challenges, I call them. So I picked something difficult to do, set out to do it, and it kind of kept my mind very occupied for the period of time that it needed to. But this all works in seasons, right? And that season came to an end when I realized I needed to really level up in the financial department. I needed to change my financial situation. I didn't personally want to work a typical 9-to-5 or a sales job. I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to have time freedom. I wanted to have location freedom. And although you work a lot harder a lot of times as an entrepreneur, so don't necessarily think it's easier, it's just that you put in all the time and effort because you're so excited, you're so passionate about it, but it does take a lot of effort. But I decided I need to make a change. And in 2018, a very good friend of mine told me about something brand new to me, which was trading. So I've learned how to trade foreign currencies from my cell phone. Now I'm doing this full time. I am also building a team across the world. It's a global team of traders, trading students, right? And so we all learn from the same academy. We learn from the same top educators, 7, 8, 9-figure traders. So it's very exciting, I think. But the most important thing right now that I want to focus on is my spiritual journey. My spiritual journey is taking me on a path where I am basically meditating, listening to the thoughts after meditation as my instincts tell me what to do next. So they told me back in November to become a digital nomad, to release attachment to things, to let go of things. So I did. I let go of the apartment I was living in. I put my things in storage, and I've been on a journey ever since. So the journey first took me to Miami, and I was there for 5 months. I was working on the business, meeting top leaders, going to lots of conferences, leveling up my trading skills. It was very exciting. Then I went on to Las Vegas and LA, and now I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. So in Atlanta, my focus here was really to bring my physical strength up by working out more, doing more weight training, and I've been really on a path to do that. That's been going very well. And to continue working on my business and go next level, basically. So through the latest meditation and prayer, for right now, my time has come to an end in Atlanta. Been here 6 weeks, and it's time to move on. So I'm going to North Carolina to an organic farm where I am going to be juicing, some fasting. I'm going to be doing a lot of praying. It is a bit of a spiritual path. It is a spiritual path, not a bit. It's all spiritual, right? Because it's very spirit-led. It's faith-based, and I am going based on what I can truly feel inside I need to do. So I'm going to do it. And there's no fear, because with faith, I just don't think the fear really can exist when you just know something so strongly that there's really no other choice but to listen, if that kind of makes sense. I don't know if you've ever felt that way, but that's how I feel. Like I don't have a choice. I don't have a choice, right? I have to do this. I have to go. So I'm going. I was told to do 3 things. The first thing was to fast the organic vegetables that are on the farm. The second thing is to read the Bible from cover to cover. And the third thing is to create 90 YouTube videos. How I'm supposed to do that in 3 weeks, I have no idea. But we're getting started because this is the first one. So I am happy and excited that you are on the journey with me. You're going to watch things unfold. You know, I have the Airbnb until June the 13th. After that, I don't know exactly where I'm going, but I have a big luggage and a little luggage, and I'm excited to hear what that is. I know it's going to come soon. I can feel it soon. Maybe the first couple of days I get to the farm, I'll know where I'm headed next. But I have some feelers out there, right? So we'll see what comes to me, and then I'll share it with you. So thank you so much for joining this journey. digital nomads around the world, I applaud you. It is courageous, it is exciting, and I'm glad to be a part of this new group. So, yeah, that's all I have to say right now, and I'm excited for you to be with me, so stay tuned for the next video.